Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Agoda booking not confirmed. First, check your email inbox including spam or junk folders. Click on the three-line option in the left corner and then check your spam or trash because the messages may be filtered over there. Then make sure your payment was successful. If the payment is pending or failed, the booking may not be confirmed. Then open the Agoda app and go to My Bookings or My Trips to section to check the status of your reservation. Sometimes confirmations take a few minutes, so wait a bit and refresh the app. If your booking still does not appear, contact Agoda customer support for assistance. That's how you fix Agoda booking not confirmed.